So guys, today we're heading out to the biggest mall in Jersey. Not just in Jersey, but it's the biggest mall in a lot of other states in America. This mall, yes, on our way here, there was an accident with this truck and a car. So we're diving into it. The music is playing in the background, so I have to mute it out so you won't be able to hear us talking throughout this video. But it's a beautiful day. So guys, as we're heading to the mall, we are talking and laughing in the car, and it was an amazing day. Just me and Obi chilling. So this is the outside of the mall, and the stadium is close by, MetLife Stadium, where they play their football and stuff for it. But it was beautiful. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. It was cold this morning, but it's so good that it calmed down where I didn't even have to wear a sweater. So it's a really nice day to go walk the mall. The mall has opened since 2020 when the pandemic hit, and then they have to close it. Right, they have to close the mall because of the pandemic, and then they reopen it after everything calms down. And this is the first time I have ever been to this mall. My husband too, he haven't been here since it's open. And it's the funny part of it, we're like 20 minutes away from the mall. 20 minutes, literally 20 minutes. And we never been there. So we are just circling around to see, because one thing, if you park and you don't remember where you park, you're gonna be in big trouble to find your car when you're ready to leave the mall. So we are just driving around to mark somewhere where we know where we park, and it's gonna be easy for us to have access to our vehicle. Yep, driving around to see what the mall look like on the outside as well. But guys, I'm so sorry that you can't hear the music that is playing in the background, because we were having a little vibe and we were talking and enjoying each other's company, and we were talking to you guys and didn't realize that the music is on the whole time. So because of that, I cannot play the background for you to hear. But it's big. It's so big. This mall is so big. You don't see anything yet. Much.
There's a white car there, over there. Exit American Dream, exit only. They know the thing. So I'll go follow and go park or something. See me?
Remember to backside where we park. Then I guess when you park an elevator, the way you take it come up. You just go in at the elevator.
Please take your ticket with you and pay inside at the parking kiosk. Turn right onto West Peripheral Road.
Parking lot look empty though.
Yeah, over here, too big, man, you can't full. Too friggin' big.
Mercy. And look like a whole heap of parking lot over here.
Yeah.
I don't think this was a good idea.
Oh.
This mall. People not come a mall come shop like that no more. Let's
Why
just
not to that show a day and a weekend?
me know, but
On a weekend.
you see, so your part. That's how we're gonna walk going this. So
Yeah, that's why we come over the side.
yeah. Mercy.
Well, I'm in the week now. Christmas will come up. We're big enough.
Big for true, man. Over here huge. Nah. I never have to put it in a jersey.
You know, man,
That's so expensive. Jersey is a very expensive state. That's why they put it up here.
Jersey expensive like New York.
Yeah. Jersey, New York, and which one else?
California.
California. I think maybe
It's expensive like last year.
you can park at
I'm
something.
parking up this.
You're not getting no upfront parking.
So drop it as well.
Yeah, just leave it there.
Oh.
Welcome to American Dream.
You over here chilling.
Yeah, but we like that, you know, the breeze.
Flat.
Yeah.
You get from over this way. I'm going to winter. What is it supposed to be?
Cool.
Wow.
So guys, we park on the first floor. We didn't get to drive all the way around the mall. We just decided that we're gonna enter from here. So as we are going up the escalator, we have to mark where we our cars at, because we don't want to have to yeah, so when you come up the stairs, you know, you're gonna see the food court, which is the escalator is right across from there. So yeah, so I started to, you know, doing the videos, and I'm like, oh my god, this place is beautiful. Look at that. You know, guys, I'm telling you, it's for you to see. The mall is so big, it's like people are there, but it's like you barely seeing anything when you really look at it. It's like anyone, I mean, you're barely seeing anyone. But it is beautiful, and this is yeah, where we entering. So I'm just gonna walk around in the mall and kind of show you some things. I am just doing voiceover right now because we're talking, but you can't hear us because the mall have so much music, and I don't want YouTube to, like, you know, copyright my videos, because it's music everywhere playing in the background. We are talking, and I wish you guys could hear what we were saying, but because of the music, I don't wanna, you know. So guys, we are on the first floor where we enter. We're gonna go towards the kids playground, because I've heard people saying that they have a big playground over here for kids. And believe me, because I'm home now and I already take it in, you guys don't get to see it yet, but it is so exciting. Guys, I'm telling you, I do so much videos for you to see it. It is beautiful, because a lot of my donors are not able to go to this mall. And that's one of the reasons why I decided to record so much and maybe come back and do voiceover, just to show you it is just beautiful. The mall is just full of colors, and you know, someone was saying that is Jews make up the mall. I don't know if that's true, but they said like a group of them come together and build this mall, and they're not gonna make money from any profit from the mall until like 50 years later before they start making profit. So as we are going right now towards the kids playground, guys, it's just beautiful. I can't tell you. I am going to post some clips over on Facebook from this video, that you could maybe hear what we were talking about from time to time. But I'm only gonna post like 1 minute clips, little by little, over on Facebook. So if you're on my Facebook page, you maybe will hear what we were saying in the background, because at least Facebook give you the opportunity to post a little things, and because we are talking in the background, it maybe won't affect us like that. But it's honestly, the mall is just beautiful. I've never seen anything like this in my life. It's so pretty. Oh gosh. All right, so over here is like we see some people, like they're doing golfs. So I don't know, but we decided to walk up to them and to see what they were doing. It's some form of golf they were doing here. So I guess like the boys decided to come out and, come and do golf. Yeah. So we're going to watch this kid side, and you're going to see so much things that is so excited. If you're living in Jersey and you have not gone to this mall, even if you're 2 hours away, it's worth it. Even if you're living in New York and you haven't been to this mall, it's worth going. It has so many stores. But one thing, I Googled and I did not see a Macy's store there. I haven't seen one. Guys, you haven't seen nothing yet. It's just beauty after beauty after beauty. You just wait. You just wait. You're going to see all the name brand stores, the Louis Vuitton, the Gucci, all of them stores that is over there. You're going to see it. But we're still walking towards the kids section. Yeah. We're almost there though. My husband and I were talking the whole time. Like, we were talking and we were so excited to see different things. And, I just said to my husband the other day, like, I really want to go to the mall because we haven't been there. And it's been like 4 years since it complete. And it's like 20 minutes and we never gone there. So I just want to spend a day, a couple of hours, get to walk. But guys, we couldn't even finish walk this mall. It was so big and it's like 4 floors. So we didn't even get to go to a lot of the place there. But my eyes were full, and it's a lot of walking. It's a lot of exercise for me. I haven't walked like this in a long time. We've been at the mall for like maybe about 4 hours, and we're just walking until we decided that we're going to have something to eat. But honestly, it worth it because it make us see so much things. And this mall is gonna be, a lot of people still don't know about this mall. Some of the small malls are closing, like the one in Livingston. That was the closest mall to me. Well, not really, because this one and the one in Livingston is pretty much the same. It's like 20 minutes away from the house. So, yeah, but this is the kids' playground. Guys, you're gonna see so much things at this thing. It's so much rides. If you have your children, you should take them there. Take them there if you're home. I mean, you have to pay for the rides, but I don't think it's a lot. Our parking, we spent like, we were there maybe like 12, like 4.5 hours, and we pay like $5 for the parking. So they're making the money either way, because at the regular mall, when we go there, they are not, like, we don't pay. We just park outside. But yeah, there's one other ride that's like a train. Guys, and the parents can ride with the kids. The roller coaster. There's so much things. You have those train lines over our head. Those blue lines are train lines. There's so much different things. You have people cleaning right through and through. They're wiping and cleaning. They're keeping up the place. It's just beautiful, man. Absolutely beautiful. So much rides, guys. You're gonna see some of them. It's wild. I was trying to make the phone low. Yeah, I was trying to make the phone low, slow, not low, slow, so you guys could see everything little by little. The rides, the kind of stuff. There's the train. That's the line go all the way around. But it's like I couldn't keep the phone one place. I've been seeing so much things that I'm like, I want you guys to see. So if you want to bring your kids here, my husband is something else. Look at it. Oh, this is hilarious. What is he doing? Unbelievable. I wish you could hear the music, but it was so much fun. For sure. Yeah. The kids were so excited. The parents are on the train with them. It's not just for kids. Adults can able to ride on it, which is amazing. All these rides. It's like I feel like I was a little kid, riding in these things. I wish you could hear them. Oh my gosh. It's just awesome. Some things that I see that I would not put my kids in, because to me it just seems too much. Like they're gonna, if you eat and go on some of these rides, you're gonna vomit or something. Look at that one. Like a roller coaster. My God. It's like boom up in the air and they're upside down, and it was too much. I don't think I would put my kids in that at all. No, I wouldn't let them go in there. Unless they're big, like they're 13 or so. But like if they're younger, no, I wouldn't put them in that thing at all. You want to see how hard it was running. Oh, it was so beautiful. This place is huge, man. Huge. So much to do over here. And I heard when it just opened, it was very expensive. But I heard the price went down because they want to make sure they have people coming to the mall. They don't want to make the price too high because people can get things cheaper elsewhere, so they have to match the price. I went to Victoria's Secret. Yeah, you see, that's another ride. And yeah, that's another one. Cute, right? Look at this little, what is this? A little train, but it just swing you and spin you around. Like it just swing front and back, and then it just spin you around. Yeah. Sometimes it just go front to back, just swing, and then it just spin you. Do you see that up there? Like the another train. That's another ride across there too. So many rides. I'm telling you, the kids have so much to look forward to over here. It's so much things. Look at that. I mean, they're upside down. I would never go into that thing. I would have thrown up. Wow. This have to have a lot of solar on it to be running some of these stuff. They have to put solar system on top of the building to help with maintain all these appliance and electricity to have them running like that. You know what I mean? So I believe that they have to have some form of solar system for this thing. Amazing. Listen, I went to the mall, but I was impressed. I was so impressed on the kids part, the kids playground. I've never seen anything like this. I need to go to Disney, but because I've never seen anything like this before, like so much rides, so much things for the kids to play with, it really impressed me. And one of the things that I did this video is like to inform people that so much things is here that they could take their kids to and let them come and have fun. You just have to have a little money in your pocket, not a lot, for them to ride. You don't have to shop and buy stuff for them, but at least they will come over here and play with stuff and get to run up and down. And because kids mostly locked up after school, they don't really play much. So this is very good, something for them to look forward to. As I said, just put a little money in your pocket. They don't have to go on all the rides all the time, but just drive them out, especially in the winter, because they can't get to go outside like that. Just put their coat on and bring them up. Guys, I have seen some things at this mall. I was shocked. You just wait. There's so much you're gonna see. It's not just ride, but I have to show you things. I have to show you what was going on here because it was so exciting for me to like, wow. I was like, wow, so much things. I think anytime I go to Orlando by my sister, I have to go to Disney. Yep. I have to go to Disney. So it was ride after ride after ride. You see how much? Guys, you see how much rides? Oh, that's all of them. There's so much more different ride that they have to go on. I don't know. Like they were creating a Disney World right here. Yeah, this is coming like a Disney World. Beautiful, I'm telling you. It's just beautiful. I enjoy every minute of it. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. They're up in the air and they're upside down. Like, I wouldn't do that ride at all. These kids, they amaze me. I'm not gonna lie. They amaze me. So it's like they just spin them around twice and stop. I don't know how much that costs, but all the rides, they have somebody there to collect and start the machines.
Yeah. Like they're riding along.
Right. Their thing there where they pay for the ride, and I think they can get ticket upstairs too. But someone is there to like control each ride. Somebody's there to like assist them with what they should do. What the hell is this? I did not have any idea. I'm like, what? Is he watching? Oh gosh. It was a beautiful, beautiful trip. I enjoyed it, I'm not gonna lie. And when you think it's done, there comes more. Just circling back. Yeah. We're trying to like go back on the floor to see the stores and get to shop. Cause I went to the mall to get some underwear by Victoria's Secret. Cause the other day I went to Jersey Garden Mall and they didn't have the ones that I wanted. Yeah, they didn't have them because they had sale. So I didn't get the ones that I wanted. So I decided that I have to go here and see if I get them. I ended up spending more than what I wanted to spend because I see things that I wanted. And I'm very disciplined on that. If I said I'm going to Victoria's Secret, that's where I'm going. I'm not going to want to buy, and shop. And then, no, I don't want to do that. So I budget myself these days. Before I used to do whatever, but now, no. I'm on a strict budget these days. Yep. Yeah, so as we're about to go up the escalade now, so we finished with the playground. As we think we finished, I'm going to show you this because this was something that I was like, oh my gosh. So as we go up to the elevator, I want to take a quick view, the escalator. I just want to turn back around when we get to the top and like show you guys a full view on the playground. Yeah, like a little quick view. It's not the full view, but like just to show you guys a little view. And as I walk over here, it's so colorful. We decided to I need to see a full view. Full view. Let's see a full view. And then I go right here and I saw this. Where? Hold on. You'll soon see what I was talking about. Yeah. Not this. It's coming up. It was absolutely beautiful, guys. I'm telling you. I enjoy every minute of this trip. You have no idea. Okay, so we come around because, let me see. Was it right here? No. Wait, it's coming up though, because I remember did a video with that. There we go. Yeah, I have to come over. When I saw this thing going up and down, I'm like, when I think I saw everything, I was like, wow, look at that. Amazing. This place is absolutely beautiful. But I'm so afraid of height. Well, I'm not so afraid anymore after I go to Cancun and I did that zip line thing. It kind of get me out of my comfort zone a little bit. And the fear kind of calmed down a little bit. But you can tell the mother was there with the kid. And she was like, oh my gosh, what did I do? Yeah. But that was that. Beautiful, beautiful place. Really beautiful. There's so much adventure here for your kids to, get excited and take photos with them so that they can say, oh, I was here when I was a child. Make a little album with your children. You take them to places and, you store them. When they get big, they can show their children and their grandchildren of, things that they used to do as a child. Always create memories with your children and make a little album with them. Because this is something, I'm going to take my grandchildren here, but they have to get big first. I'm not going to just take them here, like now, because they're so tiny. They're not going to have fun. So as soon as they get bigger, like older, like 5, 6, yeah, grandma will be taking them here so they could have fun, where they could able to manage themselves more. I'll be out and about with them. Okay, so right here is where we wanted to go. The water park is down there, and we didn't get to go because it's closed. It's closed until I think it's in November. Let me see. When did it say? I think it's November something. I can't really see it there right now. Yeah. Right, so they're gonna reopen in November. I think they're maybe working on something. So that's the water park, and it's downstairs. So we are trying to head back now to the stores where we have we want to buy, my husband want a coat for work. He's gonna get a coat, and I want like one of those sweater that he has on, those hoodie, like the Nike or Adidas, one of those, light sweater for the spring and the fall. So I'm going outside, I just put it on. So I either gonna get a Nike or a Adidas. I wanted a Nike or an Adidas black. But if you see that, guys, those are candies. That thing right there is candy. I don't know how the hell they make that thing. Yeah, I don't know how they make it. So we're heading towards the stores right now to get our stuff, what we wanted, but still letting you view them all. We were not able to walk everything because it was so big, guys. It's huge. I'm gonna take you where all the brand stores are on the mall, the Louis and the Gucci and all that stuff. Yeah. Balenciaga. Yeah, they have those big brands here on this mall. Yeah, a lot of the big brands, they have all the big brand store in one section, and you're gonna see, I don't know what was this, my husband decided to test it out. He told me to stop and take a picture. So I stopped the video, yeah, and take a picture with him. So you have the big brand stores, right? All the big brands in one section. And guys, you want to see that. It just look different. It's not so colorful and everything. It just look, I don't know where all these big brands are from, but it was just a different look, like a rich, extreme rich look. And when you look into some of the stores, you're gonna see some things you're gonna say, OMG. Yeah. So we are going towards the name brand stores right now. We're heading towards the name brand stores. It was just beautiful to spend the whole day walking the mall. Yeah, we passed this when we just, so we're going towards those stores now, but it's a little walk. We're going, yeah, we're going up the escalator. Yeah, so we went here first. Right here, Big Snow. Guys, this is something that I want you to see. Remember, this is fall, right? This is like fall. It's not winter. And when we walk into this store, I was saying to my husband, let's check it out because you might find a sweater in here. And then he said, no, we have to buy the ticket for the Big Snow. And I was like, what Big Snow are you talking about? He said to ride the Big Snow. But we didn't want to do that. We too old for this. This is for young people. These knees are not good at all. So I didn't want to do that. But I stuck here because I only see these things in movie. So I was like, what? What? I only see these things in movie. What? It was beautiful. Just to watch it, knowing that it's spring and you have snow out here and people are, skating. People are skating. In there is freezing. This is an ice box. I put my hand on the glass and it was so cold. They're in winter stuff in spring, and this place is always have ice, snow. And I'm like, how did they get this How did they get to do this? I mean, mankind is so amazed. How did they get to do these things? That's what I was saying to my husband. Like, wow. And it's so big. I guess they're gonna act movie and all these things here. They can shoot movie here. It's amazing, guys. This mall, anybody who make this plan, they are brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant people. I'm telling you. It was just amazing to watch everything go through the mall and see some things that I have never seen before. It was like breathtaking. I stand there for a good while. I have to stop the camera at one point and just looking, just staring. Like, I only see this in movies. I've never seen anything like this before. But it was so nice to like witness it. And yeah, American Dream Mall. This is American Dream. Yeah. I mean, it's a mall, but it's like, it's a movie. It's like we're literally in a movie here at this mall. How did they come up with all these ideas to put into a mall? I have no idea, but they're making big bucks from these things. And why I said that, because everything you gotta pay. You have to pay to go into all these things. So they are making money from it. This is what you call generational wealth. Anybody who comes up, this is not like a government mall. I don't think so. No, I don't believe that. I don't believe it is. I mean, I could Google it, but I'm not sure. But I was saying to myself, wow, anyone who comes up with all these ideas, they are brilliant. If a team of people come up together and put this plan together, I mean, of course, they are brilliant. They're not going to make money from it like right now. But at the end of the day, they're going to make money from it eventually. Generational wealth. Generational wealth. They've been collecting rent from every store. You know what I mean? Every store you gotta collect rent for. When we went into the food court, we left, guys. When we went into the food court, my husband said there was a place there that was empty. And then my husband said, would you rent somewhere over here and like have a restaurant here? And I said, of course. But I wouldn't want to rent somewhere here now because it's not busy. And I don't want to be stuck with the food. So, I mean, people are working in the stores and they would come over and support. But at the same time, there's not a lot of people on the mall. So, yeah, I mean, you could rent a place at the mall and have your restaurant there. It would be nice. But if the mall is not that busy, you're not going to make much money. Yeah. Food have to be good and you have to be making money. Anyways, we are going towards the name brand store, the big brands, because all of these stores are brands, but I'm talking about the big expensive brand. But before we get there, we're gonna stop at these gardens. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I have to go down there. But right now I'm on the second floor. Is it the second or the third floor? I don't even remember where I'm at because I'm doing voiceover right now. So I think it's the second floor I'm at. The third floor I'm at. I don't even remember, guys. But looking at this garden, it was absolutely amazing how they come up with all these stuff for people to take photos. Oh gosh, you know what? These people having us doing the commercial for them. So like me showing all these things, people are gonna want to go there to see what it's like. This is beautiful to take pictures. So they having us selling the place for them when we come here and we take photos and all this stuff. And as I was saying, it's over 400 and something stores on this mall, right? plus other things. Over 400 and something stores collecting rent for each stores. Do you know how much money that is? And you're not gonna make any money from this building until 50 years later? That is crazy. Anyways, look at this. This is beautiful. This is just the water fountain. Oh, this is just so nice, guys. I have to like take you I have to take you downstairs when I'm coming back from, you know, taking you to the stores. But this was just gorgeous, man. It was so lovely. Beautiful. Beauty, just beauty. If you think you see anything, you haven't seen. I guess this is just like the color part of the mall. There's some part of the mall that's just really colorful, like the kids section, and over on this side, yeah, some of the stores them are here, but like, you know, Victoria's Secret, Old Navy, Gap, Vons, Nike, Adidas, you know, different those brands are right around this area. This is where you can find the smaller brands, like, you know, yeah. So we decided like we just gonna walk until we find the name brand stores. Even though we're not shopping in name brands right now, we just come to get what we want and we're just gonna get it and go. But we definitely come to check out the mall, to walk the mall and see if we see things that's worthwhile and the price is good, because as I said before, I heard when it just opened it was a little expensive, more than the rest of the malls. And it really is, because you gotta pay to park. You gotta pay for things here that you don't normally pay for at the other malls, you know. Yeah, beautiful, clean and pretty. I mean, it's new, but it's just so nice. Where did I went the last time? I went at this place in New York. Yeah, it's just so nice, guys. Yeah, Pink City. I've never seen that store before anywhere. And then when I saw it, I was like, is Pink City for Nicki Minaj? I don't know. Because I think she like did a tour the other day. I think it named Pink City. So it just clicked back to me and said like, I wonder if this is her store. I don't. That was so funny. Yeah, but I think she did something like Pink City, Pink something another on her tour the other day, Nicki Minaj. And when I saw that, I was like, I'm wondering if this store belongs to her. But I wasn't sure, so I said, I started laughing. I would say that to my husband in the background, but it's just, you're not gonna hear it. So that's Bath and Body Works, and yeah, all the stores, those kind of stores are right off here. Yeah, the Victoria's Secret, the Vons, the Nike, the Puma, the Adidas. No, I didn't see Puma. I'm not sure if Puma was there. So yeah, so all those, you know, H&M and blah blah blah, those kind of stores are right off here. If you come right anywhere right here, you can find all those stores. And I'm trying to remember if this is the third floor. I think it is the third floor. Yeah, because we came up to escalator already. So this is the third floor. Yeah. Right. So we definitely want to go where the brand stores are now. We're heading towards the big brands store. But just still showing you around, and it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yep. Big. This mall is big. We could not walk this mall out in one day. Like I think it should take us a lot more hours to like, and we would have to have like a map to walk out this mall, guys. Yeah, we would have to have a map. Like, we don't want to repeat where we walk already So it would be good if we have a map. You know what I mean? Yeah. I think it would be the best thing if we have a map. Right. Absolutely beautiful, man. Apple. I was passing Apple and I was like, since I've been walking, that's the only store that was packed with people. People are buying phone every day. And guess what? And that's the UGG store. Yeah, we passed the UGG store right beside Apple. I was saying to myself, guys, people buying phone every day. You know why? They do TikTok, they do YouTube, they use this, and every time a phone comes in, they keep upgrading. Gadget will always sell. When you're buying stocks, make sure you buy it in Gadget. Trust me, because you can't go wrong with phones and stuff like that. You can't go wrong. Like, it doesn't matter. People are keep buying phones. The only stores in the mall that was full, it was the phone store. Yep, the phone store. Nobody's buying clothes and shoes and this and that. Nobody's buying that anymore. They are buying phones. Okay, so look, start looking now carefully where this chandelier is. Like, this is just a different section. You're going towards the big brands. Right off here is where the big brands are. So we're heading towards the big brands. And if you can see, it looks starting to look a little different from the opposite side where we are coming from. Look at that chandelier, guys. It is beautiful. Beautiful. And when you look down there, oh, that's stunning. But I'm focusing on the chandelier right now. But when you look in the downstairs, oh, it's beautiful. Yep. They have these fancy seats everywhere. So if you walk in the mall and you feel tired, see the big brands over here? These are the big names. Yeah. So we are going towards all of these. Balenciaga. Oh yeah. So I was just zooming it in to show you all these brands. So look on the opposite side where we're coming from, how colorful it is, and look on this end how it look. It's like you're looking down on the floor. Like, it looks so pretty. And look at these chairs. Like, why they have all these nice fancy chairs here? Isn't it? It's gonna be dirty soon. I'm like, what? Why would you have all these nice fancy looking chairs here for people to come and sit on? They should have darker colors and something that won't able to be dirty. You know what I mean? So I was saying that. That's what I was saying to myself. Guys, you shouldn't have that there. You need to have, chairs that is not going to be dirty. You will have to take it up soon, like in another 5-6 years. It's not going to look good, or you will have to cover it with something else, like cover the chairs, like get covering for it. That's what I was saying. Yeah. But the big stores are here, and over here just looks so different. Yep. Look downstairs, guys. Oh gosh, it's so pretty. So like, you have upstairs and downstairs. Like, you have Louis Vuitton over there and Gucci over here, and so you have the up and the down. So they still own. Some of the stores are still not open yet. Yes, opening soon. That one, like, some of the stores are still not open yet. But it's just beautiful, man. Over here is just different. It's not that colorful, and it's not that, like, over here is a little darker, like it more private. You know what I mean? So they're telling me that if you don't have money, please don't come on this side. Yep, that's what they were saying. If you don't have money, don't bother to come over here. So this is just, yeah. I'm like, okay. So I know I'm not supposed to set foot over here. This is for the rich people, This section is really just for the rich people, because you have to have money to shop into this store. I never even go into any of these stores, to be honest, because I'm not trying to buy anything. I really didn't go into the stores. You know, when I'm buying stuff like this, it have to be like a special day, like a birthday or a gift, because these stuff are very expensive. So you have to save towards buying these things. You can't just go buy it because I don't need them, you know. So I'm not a fussy person. I'll treat myself every now and then, but I'm not gonna waste money to buy these things. No, I can go in Macy and get nice stuff. I can go buy Michael Kors. I can go buy Nike, Gap. Yeah, nope. Yeah, I have to go show you these cows. Jesus, I'm telling you, let me go around, guys, because you really need to go see this. I have to take you across so you could see. That's Gucci. Gucci mama, Gucci mama. Oh, this is just stunning. I just love it. I was so happy that I'm able to like get these videos. So you guys could see them. You know, a lot of people are back home and they never get the opportunity to like get a full view of America, like an American mall or so forth, so they can actually like watch this video and like said, oh wow, this is nice, you know. All Rolex, guys. Rolex is on, you know, one Rolex watch. You know how much for a Rolex watch? A lot of money. A lot. So Rolex watch is on the mall. Yep. I hate to see this thing. Look at that. I need to take it out of the video. It's so scary. I don't want it in here. Alright, let it stay, but it looks so weird. Didn't even realize I was videoing it. What is downstairs? Why? Yeah. Beautiful, huh? The sunlight. They have to have some solar on this thing. Stunning. Yeah. My husband and I was just viewing. Look back from where we're coming from. That's it. Yeah, that is where we're coming from. That entrance. That's where. So we decided like to just, yeah. Dolce & Gabbana. I'm telling you guys, it was like so much fun just to walk these stores. At one point, I have to stop videoing because it was too much. I was drained from holding the phone, and then, you know, we went and we go look something to eat. Yeah. But it was a day well spent. I'm not gonna lie to you. I enjoyed. I would go back another time, but not right now. Maybe in another year. I'd rather go to my little local malls than to come to this one because it's so big and it's hard to find the stores. So if I'm in a rush, like I said, okay, I have 3 hours to go to the mall. I don't want to come to this mall because I can't figure out where the things are. Yeah, look at these cows. They are moving, guys. This is ridiculous. Like, why would you have these 3 big, huge cows in a store looking so real and scaring people? I didn't want to go close to him, and my husband is like touching the arm. Look at that. I have to stop the camera on him a little bit because he's moving as if he's a real thing. People walk past and he's rolling his eyes like he's definitely giving you the eyes. I'm like, what on earth? I wouldn't go there. I'm not gonna lie. Like, what? My husband is gonna touch him. No. Look, look, look. I'm like, leave it. I was like, what are you doing? Leave him alone. This was so funny. Yeah, 3 big cow in the store, and they're only selling glasses. Ugh, unbelievable. Like, why? What are you doing? What are you doing with all these cows selling glasses? Unbelievable. The video is coming down to an end, guys, but we're gonna go shopping. I'm going to Victoria's Secret, so I decided the video is coming down to the end, and there is more. I ended up going downstairs because I really wanted to like see some stuff. We wasn't gonna buy anything over this side, but we did get some stuff. My husband get a coat. I get a Adidas sweater. I didn't get to take the picture because at one point we were just looking around and trying to get what we wanted. So I didn't take a picture, but I do have the bags here. I do have the bag at the house, and I haven't unlocked them. I might do a little video showing you what I bought. Yeah, I bought 10 black underwear in Victoria's Secret. I love those underwear, and I didn't bother to buy any colored. I just buy black because I wear those every single day. And I do buy some for sleeping. Yeah, buy some sleeping ones too. And I get me a pajama outfit. And what else? What else did I get? I get other stuff, but yeah. I get other stuff in Victoria's Secret. But I'm downstairs and I wanna show you. Am I downstairs? I lose focus. Yes. I am downstairs, guys, and I want you to see this beautiful place again, like in the middle of the mall. Yeah, it's so nice. This water thing, and they set it up. I don't know if this is gonna be another food court, but it just looked like it because they have so many seats, or people are just gonna just sit here and relax, because this is over on the rich side of the mall. So yeah, they have all these now. I don't think they're gonna put food here. I think they're just gonna like a sitting area. Oh, this is beautiful. I wish you guys get the opportunity to like go to this mall if you're close by. If you visit Jersey, you could go. But as I said, I wouldn't come here for shopping. I'll just come here for the view. And yeah, if I see something that I want, I'll get it. But to find the stores, you have to walk too much. So it's not easy. I would just go online or go to one of the little mall that I always gone to. Even Jersey Garden Mall. I was there the other day, and that's a very big mall too. And it's a lot of walking. I mean, it's good for you, but this is not something that you want to do all the time. A lot of people are shopping online these days, so making a mall, I don't know if that was a good idea, but the good thing about it, there's so much things here to do that you're not like, you take your kids here to have fun. You have to make it a fun place. But what I think they should have put into this mall is a casino. I am not sure if it have a casino, and if it doesn't, I think they should still find place to put one, because a casino will draw a crowd. People, I don't see any. I'm not sure if it's not here, but I think a casino should be here, because a casino will bring crowd here for people to come and gamble, because trust me, people love to gamble. So maybe you'll have more people here, and and once they're gambling, they're gonna want food. So you have good food over here. So, but I really think a casino should be in this mall if it's not there. And I did not see a Macy. We Googled it and a Macy store was not in here. It didn't come up. What kind of store is this? It said Mango. I have never seen a brand that said Mango that sell clothes. Like, what kind of brand is that? Like, we didn't go in there. We're not wearing any Mango. So, yeah, so we're heading towards the store where we need to buy our stuff. And then we are going to have something to eat. But I'm looking for, you have a Clark store over here too. You have a lot of stores over here, but we really didn't see a Macy, and we are disappointed because our little mall that we go to more time is Livingston, and it's closing down right now. It is closing, and knowing that no Macy is not on this mall, I'm shocked. Why did Macy have a place here? Like, why didn't they have a place in this mall? I don't know why. Because Macy, to me, every mall that I've been to, Macy is there. So I'm not sure what's going on. But this is it's just big, nice, and beautiful. As I said before, the peoples that come up with this, they're brilliant. Guys, the video actually coming down to an end. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please remember to give it a like and share it with your families and friends, and let they get a view too. But it's beautiful. If you're in the island and you've never traveled, this video will do you well to see what the mall in Americas look like. And I heard that this is now the biggest mall. I don't know if that's true, but I heard it, but I'm not sure if it is because I didn't Google it. Well, I did Google, and it said American, something like that. Not American Dream, American Mall, I think American Mall, something like that is the biggest. And then they have one named Bloomington, something like that. I think it's Bloomington. I forgot, guys. I don't want to say things that I'm not sure. But I did Google it after my husband told me that he heard that this is the biggest mall right now in America. I Googled it and it gave me a few more. This one, I guess maybe because it knew it's not on Google, said it is the biggest mall. I don't know. But see, I came back to the garden. I came back and I come and take pictures. Yeah, it was just so beautiful, guys. But it is towards going towards Victoria's Secret. I purchased Victoria's Secret already. It was very close to Victoria's Secret, so I grabbed my Victoria's Secret stuff. My husband grabbed what he needs to grab. Yeah, there he is with his bags. My bag too. You have a bag for me with my socks and my hoodies and stuff that I bought for myself. Well, he bought. Yeah, so the sneakers I have on my foot is a Nike, and this is the second time I wear it. I think I want to start wearing it every day. It's so comfortable, guys. When I'm going anywhere, I'm gonna jump into this. This is the second time I'm wearing it, so it's gonna be my judge shoes right now because it's so comfortable. I had one before and I wear it till it tired. So I need to start wearing this one now. My son bought me those shoes for Christmas. Yeah. I have one with the white bottom. It's a Nike. And I have one with the black bottom. Beautiful. I'm telling you, comfortable. It is so comfortable. Yeah, guys, the video is coming to an end. Remember to hit that like button and tell me what you think in the comment section. I'll be looking out for your comment. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends and your family. God bless you guys and love you all. Thank you so much for watching. And I am here enjoying the video even though I already left the mall and I saw the view. But I'm still enjoying it. This is just so beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. This garden is stunning. If you get married, you can come here to take pictures. That's how beautiful it is. Yep, I love it. Love, 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 love it. This garden is just so beautiful. There's so many beautiful places in the mall that you can go and take pictures. Like if it's your birthday or you have an anniversary or something like that, you could get your photo guy and you can come right here in this garden and take photos because it's just so beautiful. And you're not charging for it. Yep, beautiful. They're selling the place. Believe me, they're making you selling the place for them, taking videos and photos showing off the place and so like this. Yeah, it's free advertisement for this one. We doing all this is a free advertisement for people to come and see it for themselves. So we're at the food court right now, and we're gonna get something to eat. And guys, the video is coming to an end. This is the food court. We're gonna eat something. You didn't get to see some of the videos, and then we're gonna go home. After we fill our belly, we're gonna head home. And that's the end of the video. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And remember again, don't forget to hit that like button and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Love you guys and have a blessed rest of your day. God bless you. Bye. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you, this is the food that we got, some fried rice. We didn't put any meat in it because I'm so afraid of that. And this is some... Listen, my husband hot boy, Real hot boy, watch him. Real hot boy, My husband a real hot boy, A real hot boy,